stay. Once the people stay, right, come, just go back there, come. Know about our story, come. Then that's time, right, once they out from the room, they are like virus, they will spread. Serious. I'm a designer before, I'm a programmer before. Okay, I use a lot of software. Acad I used before, Unigraphic I used before, SolidWorks I used before, Delcam I used before. So every time what we want, as I'm a designer in a manufacturing, I always want work easy. So we talk about easy, what is that? Technology. I always ask for technology. I don't care about pricing. Pricing is only the boss will care. But the one who listen there, the engineer, is care about technology. The more you show, right, then you, I can do my job faster. Right? Even the management will say, hey, I want to buy purchase, okay or not? Okay, boss, we chuba. Maybe 1 to 2 seat, we chuba. Right? They have those kind of expectation. That's why that's the things. Don't, you want to go and present, make sure you have a right topic to present. That's the things. Okay, don't go there and present some things that you already know. Tell me what you present when you present in